It's Wednesday, and although it's only been 24 hours, it is launch day. We've got all our supplies and shopping done, and we even get a little more time to relax before we head out. Then it's time to pack up and head out as we head down the mountain and into town, into our yard, and straight to our truck. Fred jumps in for his security sweep. All clear. Then Harry goes under the hood for our pre-trip. Under Fred's watchful supervision, of course. And thankfully, our load's already here at the yard waiting for us. That means we can get going right away and start heading east. Then jump on 65 North, which brings us into Tennessee. I make my way onto 840 East, which puts me on 40 East. I make my way into the Eastern Time Zone, and I also make my way into rush hour in Knoxville. But it wasn't too bad today. And after a while, I get us onto 81 North, where I stop at the T.A. Davy Crockett Travel Plaza in Greenville so I could take my 30. I take Fred out to stretch his legs, and he knew exactly where to go. Yes, he found the dog park, and he had it all to himself. I get us back on 81 North, which brings us into Virginia. And a few hours later, I stop at White's Petro Travel Center in Rafine so we can switch off. Harry starts driving, and right now we are ahead of schedule to make our delivery in 228 miles. Stay tuned.